Here I have Motorola Moto G54 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it, you can't even unlock your device now. So firstly you should turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off. Oh. So as you can see, it doesn't allow me to turn off. It says me like enter wrong PIN. So in that case what we have to do is to hold down power key plus volume down at the same time until device turns off. So we have to turn it off like this. And after it turns off, we quickly release all these keys and press them once again to enter this kind of mode. In this mode, we use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and we select an option, recovery mode. When you see this no comment message, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option, wipe data factory reset, then select factory data reset, and after you see the message data wipe complete, select an option reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual, like in a minute or something. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.